Hello friends, welcome to our channel Bang on Theory. So friends, we are going to start our new series. In this series, we will discuss all questions of Java, Python and Unix which have been asked in Proctored assessment and online Proctored assessment. So friends, main point is if you already cleared your assessment or maybe not with 55 plus or 85 plus score, but important part is your concepts and basics. Okay, because for your future IRA assessments and for your digital proctored assessment, I know you all are eagerly waiting for your joining letters, and for your upcoming projects maybe you will have to give interview to your GM or project manager. At that time your basics and concepts will help you. Okay friends, so we will read this question line by line and try to understand. So first, if you want more videos like this, so subscribe our channel, like this video and please support our channel, and also you can join our community by follow our Telegram group, WhatsApp group. Okay, so let's start. So I know most of you are excellent coder, and if you want to skip this video, so you can. So whenever you try to solve and want to write code, reading pattern of question is very important, because all question pattern is almost same except logic. Okay, so this question says we need to create two classes. First is solution class and next is associate class. In solution class, we have to write our main method and then use scanner object to read values for associate objects. Okay, in above sequence, and read value for search parameter, which is used for operational and conditional purpose. Okay, and next we need to write static method name associates for given technology in solution class. Okay, and in associate class all variable declaration with their getter and setter methods and parameterized constructor. Getter and setter method is optional for you, but question said to write getter and setter method, so I recommend you, if you have enough time, so use getter and setter methods. Okay, so there are certain steps. So first we try to understand and only focus on logic. Okay, because you already know the question pattern. So logical part says input part for operation, this method will take a string parameter named technology along with the other parameter as array of objects. Okay, array of objects which stores the record, which stores all records. Okay, logic says return that array of associate record, where condition part is very important. Condition says string parameter named technology appears in technology attribute with case insensitive search. So you don't need to write case sensitivity conditional logic. So okay, so this condition must match, and next condition is experience and year attribute should be multiple of 5. Okay, and at last in main method write code to display id of return objects in ascending order. Okay, I hope you understand this question. So let's discuss the solution part. So input sample is given. There are 5 records and each record contains associate id, associate name, technology, experience in year, and at last our search parameter, which is technology parameter. So this is sample output. So we need to display that associate id when our given condition must be satisfied. Okay, so let's start. So first import all packages and classes which we require, then create a class named solution. Step by step follow. Okay, declare all variables according to question with their specific data type. Then next create an array object to store our input records. Okay, then create a scanner class object and using for loop take all inputs. Okay, and at last call and initialize constructor. Okay, this constructor we will define in our associate class. Okay, parameterized constructor. The next step is string parameter, search parameter taken as an input. Okay, then next create an array or array list, whatever data structure and collection you want to store the output. Okay, so create an array list object to store our output record and also call function for operational purpose. Okay, and pass parameter array record, array associate record, and technology parameter, and this loop is used for printing the output. Okay, and at last ending of function main. Next, define the function name associates for given. Okay, with their data type. If you use if you want to use array, then write array here. If you use array list, then array list. Okay, next create an array list or array, whatever you want, to store the and to perform the operational purpose, for operational record purpose and for return output. Okay, then create an array list and then create a loop, for loop, starting from 0 to the length of array. Main part is if condition. Question says string parameter technology must be equal and appears in technology attribute. Okay, so we use dot equals method to equalize both attributes. Okay, so this condition is very important. So if you don't want to use getter and setter method, then you can directly access this variables. Don't need to use this get tag and get experience in here method. Okay, because we use getter and setter method in this class, so we use get tag and get experience in here. Next condition is experience in here must be multiple of 5 and conditional and operator. So if this condition satisfy, store that particular record in array or array list, whatever you want. We use array list, so we use dot add method to store that particular record if condition will satisfy, and at last return that array, ending of function and ending of our solution class. Okay, then next create a class associate. You can only declare variables here. Okay, and you can remove private access modifier, but if you have enough time, so use getter and setter method also. Define all getter and setter method as per the data type. Okay, and also define parameterized constructor to initialize all variables and to matching the data type. Okay, and at last ending of our associate class. Okay friends, so if you like this video, please support our channel and share this video with your friends and juniors, and whatever video you required, and if you have any query, you can freely ask in comment section. Thank you friends.